Alright, so let's go over our perspective steps. Again, I have my horizon line here, I have my vanishing point, and I have some different shapes here. We'll start with the rectangle. So I just drew a rectangle anywhere on my paper. And step one is to find my 3 points of my rectangle, 1, 2, and 3. It has a 4th point, but if we remember, we're not going to draw that line because it would go through the shape. And we don't want to draw anything going through my shape because we're not drawing transparent 3D shapes. So I'm going to make sure I don't draw any line that would go through my object. But the other ones, I'm going to make sure I line up my ruler from one point to another point, draw a line. Every single time I want to make sure I'm not just using my ruler as a straight edge, but I'm actually lining it up from point to point and point to point. The next thing that I have to do is draw my lines to end the shape, because right now it just looks like it's going on forever and hitting a point. But I want to end my shape with my parallel lines. So the first line that I want to do, I want it to be parallel to this line. Remember, parallel means that they go on forever and they would never hit each other. If my line isn't parallel and it's at an angle, it would run into my other line, and if they run into each other, they're not parallel. So to make sure I get a parallel line, I'm going to line up my ruler with the edge of the shape. So I'm lining it up, not like this. I want to make sure it's lined up exactly along the edge of my shape. And I'm just going to slide my ruler off to the side. I want to make sure when I slide my ruler that I'm not turning my ruler, because as soon as I turn it, it's not parallel anymore. So I want to line it up and slowly slide. And I can slide it further than that. I can slide it not so far. Wherever I want to end the shape, I'm gonna make sure my pencil goes against the edge of my ruler so I have that nice straight line. All I did was line it up and slide it. I'm gonna do the same thing for the bottom edge of my square. So I'm taking my ruler, I line it up, I slide it, and I want to keep sliding until I see the edge of this line. It like created another point when it hit the converging line. So I see it there, and I draw the line. So I did the same thing. I lined it up, and I slid the ruler down. Now that's the end of my shape, which means I don't need any of these other lines, so I can use my eraser and erase the rest of the converging lines that I do not need. So this would be the same thing if we did something like a triangle. I have 3 points. I connect my points to my shape, or to my vanishing point. This one looks like it would maybe go a little bit through my shape, or it would even just line up with the edge right here. So if it kind of runs into that same line, maybe I don't even have to draw that line because it looks like it's kind of the same line as that one. Which means I just have to make one line parallel here to end the shape. So I line up my ruler, I slide without rotating, just line up and slide, draw the line, and erase any extra of my converging